So, okay guys, so you have a quarter panel, okay? You got spray paint, you got some kind of writing on here, and you got delamination. Now this is just a towel, okay? So this is just flaky clear coat. See that? Can you do a little close up so you can get it? Okay, look at. See, that's just flaky clear coat. Everyone makes a big deal of this, okay? But I'm just gonna use a towel. I'm just gonna do this, okay? Ta-da, flaky clear coat gone. Now I want to put a video with this one at the end, so you guys can, are you catching it? Okay, so you guys can see how to feather this stuff back, okay? Now this is the actual color, and then this is the actual clear coat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this cleaner right here. I'm gonna remove the oxidation. This haze that you see is what's causing the erosion. So I'm gonna use this to clean that up. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. This is not wax, you go back and forth, you clean the same spot until it clears up. Can you hear me good, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, I do this to clean. Okay, remember there's no waxing going on here, I'm just cleaning. So I just removed that, okay? This looks so much similar to this, and this is the exposed color base coat, but this is an import paint job. Okay, so now I cleaned the clear coat. You didn't see no color coming up. You saw a little bit coming off right there. Now I'm gonna work on the exposed color base coat. Okay. What I wanna do is just clean. Remember, I'm not waxing, I'm cleaning. I wanna blend them as close as possible. Look at that. You can do this in your garage, in front of your house. You know, it's easy to do. Yeah. Okay. Don't be alarmed if you see paint coming off. It's just the oxidized paint. But look how nice that came out now. Okay. Now, this is closer. Are you catching it? So you can clean this quarter panel. There's spray paint over here. No problem. This removes paint transfer, spray paint, tree sap, tar, all that stuff. It's cleaner. Okay, not wax. Just clean. This stuff is amazing. Okay, now if you guys know how to use a polisher, you don't want to use a DA polisher with this, use a straight up rotary polisher. If you guys got questions, call us up. This cleaner has no lubricants or waxes in it. It's just designed to clean. So if you simply clean it up, it'll slow down the erosion that's taking place right here. And some parts are just going to stop peeling altogether. Now, it's a two-step process. First clean it, then you seal it. Now, here's where we're going to add some shine and pop, because the other one's not a wax, it's just cleaner. Okay, do this, work it into the paint, and then let it dry. When this is done, look at that. Are you catching it? Mm-hmm. All right, so guys, please like and subscribe. Check us out. And oh, you know what? I want to do a little bit more. Let me do this over here. Okay. So, just want to show you, man. It's not hard to do. It's fairly easy. Remember, this is different from waxing. It's called cleaning. You know, it's called cleaning. Yeah. Anyways, just go like this. That's all you do. Just clean. This is a little hard to take off because I'm pretty sure that's acrylic right there. But you can take it off. How long are we in?
3 minutes, 57 seconds.
I'm going to switch over to this side. Acrylics are really hard, but you can get them off with this. Just use a generous amount. We're getting there. Come on, switch over. Go. Did you catch that?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm gonna put the sealer on. It's best to let that sealer dry for about 10, 15, 20 minutes. And it's done. Look how beautiful that comes out. The nice thing about these products, you can do a quarter panel today. Come back the following week, do the door. Catch the door. Okay? And it'll look like this. That looks way better than what it looked like before. Hey guys, so check us out at lukatdetail.com. I mean, that's our website. Order your product. I got questions, call us. Our number's on the about section. And please like and subscribe. It makes a big deal. Later, guys. Oh, you're in the way. You're standing in the shade. You can't wait. Yeah, there you go.